नमस्ते दोस्तों, स्मार्ट माइंड्स ट्यूटोरियल्स में आपका स्वागत है। आइए आज कुछ नया सीखें।
So let us continue with exercise 3.1. We need to find the multiplicative inverse of each of the complex numbers given below. So the 11th question is 4 minus 3i. Let us say z is equal to 4 minus 3i. Now how to find out multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse is 1 by z, or you can also denote it by z power minus 1. So that is 1 by 4 minus 3i. We rationalize the denominator. That means multiplying and dividing by 4 plus 3i. So that is 4 plus 3i by, denominator is in the form a minus b into a plus b. So that is 16 minus 9i square. That is 4 plus 3i by 16 plus 9. That is 4 plus 3i by 25. So this you can separate it as 4 by 25 plus I into 3 by 25. This is multiplicative inverse of the given complex number. Take the next question. Here also we need to find the multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus 3i. So let z is equal to root 5 plus 3i. To find the multiplicative inverse of z, we need to find 1 by z. That is 1 by root 5 plus 3i. Now rationalize the denominator. Multiply and divide by root 5 minus 3i by root 5 minus 3i. So that is root 5 minus 3i by 5 minus 9i square. So that is root 5 minus 3i by 5 plus 9. That is root 5 minus 3i by 14. So you can separate it as root 5 by 14 plus I into minus 3 by 14. Take the next question. We need to find the multiplicative inverse of minus I. So let z is equal to minus I. So multiplicative inverse of z is 1 by z. That is 1 by minus I. Now just I have to multiply and divide by I. So that will become I by minus I square. That is I by minus of minus 1. That is equal to I. So this can be written as 0 plus I into 1. Take the next question. Express the following expression in the form a plus ib. So the expression given is 3 plus I root 5 into 3 minus I root 5 by root 3 plus root 2i minus of root 3 minus I root 2. So here let us write z is equal to 3 plus I root 5 into 3 minus I root 5 by root 3 plus root 2i minus root 3 minus I root 2. Now numerator is in the form a plus b into a minus b. We can write it as a square minus b square. So 3 square minus I root 5 whole square. And in the denominator, if you open the brackets, root 3 plus root 2i minus root 3 plus root 2i. I root 2 or root 2i, both are one and the same. So root 3 minus root 3 get cancelled. 9 minus 5i square by root 2i plus root 2i is 2 root 2i. This can be written as 9 plus 5 by 2 root 2i. So that is 14 by 2 root 2i. 2 ones are 2 sevens are. 7 by root 2i. We don't want I in the denominator. So we multiply and divide by I. So that is 7i by root 2i square. That is 7i by minus root 2. So this can be written as 0 plus I into minus 7 by root 2. This is in a plus ib form.